Hi, this is teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today, we will study the Essential Grammar in Use 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. We are now at Unit 37 of this book, and we already finished the tackle or to study how to use there is and there are. Okay, so let's go now to letter B, where in this letter B, okay, so the next topic for Unit 37 is how to use there is and it is. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. In this picture, we will use there is. Okay, so there's a book on the table. We used there's. There's is a contraction of there is. We use this because there is only one book on the table. You cannot use it's a book on the table. It's wrong, okay? Do not use it's a book on the table unless someone asks you what is on the table. You can answer it's a book on the table. But if you will tell a sentence about the picture, you should use there is or there's, okay? Remember that. Let's go now on how to use it is. Okay, so let's look at the picture. Okay, so in the sentence here, the boy is the one who is telling a sentence. Okay, so I like this book. It's interesting. It here is the same as this book. Okay, so we cannot use this book again just in one line of a sentence. That's grammatically wrong. Okay, so we will substitute this book to it. Okay, so again, I like this book. It's interesting. So it substitutes this book. Let's go now on the examples, okay? So the first example is, what's that noise? That noise, okay? And the answer is, it's a train. Okay, so we cannot say that noise, what's that noise? That noise a train. It's wrong, okay? So we use it to substitute the word or the phrase that noise. Okay, so let's go on the second one. There's a train at 10:30. Okay, so it's a fast train. It is the same of the 10:30 train. Okay, so look at this. The sentences or the two sentences is in one line. So we cannot say there's a train at 10:30. The train is a fast train. Okay, so it's wrong, okay? We use train so many times. We just used train or there is, okay? Because we are telling someone that there is a train at 10:30. So we can say that it's a fast train. We substitute it's for the 10:30 train. Okay, let's go now on the third example. There's a lot of salt in this soup. I don't like this soup. Okay, look at that carefully. There is a lot of salt in this soup. Okay, we are telling something about the soup. I don't like this soup. It's too salty. Okay, so it is same with this soup. We substitute it with this soup. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, so always review that lesson, how to use there is, there are, and it is. Okay, so we will continue to the exercises after this unit. So are you ready? Okay, I know that you were excited, okay? So let's go on the exercises. Let's go now on the exercises under the unit 37. First one is 37.1. Okay, so Cantham is a small town. Look at the information in the box here. And then write sentences about Cantham with there is, there are, or there isn't, there aren't. Okay, so let's look at the first one. First information is a castle? No. The sentence is there isn't a castle. Okay, so isn't is for a negative or no. Okay, next one is any restaurants? Yes, a lot. The sentence is there are a lot of restaurants. Okay, third information is a hospital? Yes. So the sentence for this information is there is a hospital. Okay, because we used there is because there is only a hospital or one hospital asking. Okay, let's go now on number 4. A swimming pool? No. So the sentence is there isn't a swimming pool. Isn't is a contraction of is not or is no. Okay, so the answer is no, so that is in negative. Okay, let's go on number 5. Any cinemas? Yes, 2. So the sentence is there are 2 cinemas. Okay, passive. Negative sentence, passive sentence. Okay, let's go on now on number 6. A university? No. So the sentence should be there isn't a university. Okay, number 7. Any big hotels? No. So big hotels, it is in plural. Okay, so the sentence should be in negative plural form. Okay, there aren't any big hotels. Okay, so practice this one, okay? So you can make a good sentence with just an information like this. Okay, so let's go now on 37.2. Write sentences about your town or a town that you know. Use there is, there are, or there isn't, there aren't. First example is there are few restaurants. Restaurants, there are. Okay, number 2, there's a big park. There's or there is a big park. Okay, singular, plural. Let's go now on number 3. There are a lot of hotels. Okay, there are hotels. Next, there isn't winter. Okay, there is no winter. There is not winter or there is no winter. Number 5, there is a beautiful palace. Okay, there is because there is a beautiful palace or one beautiful palace. Last one is there are good beaches. There are because of the word beaches, plural. Okay, so we will continue on 37.3. But always review this, okay? So that you can make your good own sentence. Okay. We will continue our lesson on next video. Again, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. See you next time. Bye!